Guys, I'm going to prepare for you sweetened mukimo, whereby I have these ingredients. I have my red onions, I have my garlic, I have my carrots, and I have my tomatoes. And then here, the main ingredients, I have my bananas, ripe bananas, and my njahe, sorry guys, or black beans. So guys, note that while you're using your bananas, make sure ndizi zako ni zile za kupika alafu zimeiva. Don't use the ripe bananas. Make sure umetumia zile ndizi za kupika but zimeiva zenyewe, yani zinafaa zikuwe zimekoma. Let's get into our video. So guys, tutaanza kuweka our onions, tuzipike mpaka zikuwe golden brown. And then I'll add in our salt to taste. Just a little bit of salt. Since it's sweetened mukimo, I have to do a little bit of salt. Tuzikoroge, onions zetu zikauke kwanza, then we put in our oil. Next step, you put in your carrots. Give them 2 minutes steam. So guys, nimeziacha for a few minutes. You add in some water for them to soften before we start mashing them out. Meanwhile guys, as I wait njahe zetu ziive, nitaendelea kumash our banana and make our work easier. Nazimash zote mpaka zikuwe even, ziko too smooth. Natumia fork kumash ndo at least ifanye kazi yangu easier. I'll do so kwa ndizi zangu zote. Guys, as you can see, ndizi yetu iko ready. Tumeweza kuimash. So the next step nitafanya, we want now to mash our njahe. Guys, ukiona njahe zetu ziko sawa, ziko well mashed. So guys, tunaziweka kwa meko kidogo, steam mali jakauka ikauke vizuri, and then I show you the last step. So the next step, tutaka ndani our bananas, unaweka kidogo kidogo ukimash. Guys, our food is finally ready. It's time to test. Let's see how it tastes. By the way, we may serve with our pork. Guys, you need to try this at home. Hey, mautamweka hapa. It's very nice and delicious. Guys, kindly go and try it at home. Then, write up the comment section below. Mniambie vile imekuwa. I really appreciate, guys, your support. Kindly tuendelee kusubscribe. Saa hizi nauleta video after video. See you guys on my next video. Bye. I love you so much.